Welcome to AdCons, the easiest way to explore your journey of investing in stock market. Sensex milestones. 1000 July 25, 1990. On July 25, 1990, the Sensex touched the first four-digit figure for the first time and closed at 1001 in the wake of a good monsoon and excellent corporate results. 2000 January 15, 1992. On January 15, 1992, the Sensex crossed the 2000 mark and closed at 2020, followed by the liberal economic policy initiatives undertaken by the then Finance Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh. 3000 February 29, 1992. On February 29, 1992, the Sensex surged past the 3000 mark in the wake of the market-friendly budget announced by Manmohan Singh. 4000 March 30, 1992. On March 30, 1992, the Sensex crossed the 4000 mark and closed at 4091 on the expectations of a liberal export-import policy. It was then that the Harshad Mehta scam hit the markets and Sensex witnessed unabated selling. 5000 October 11, 1999. The Sensex crossed the 5000 mark as the Bharatiya Janata Party led coalition won the majority in the 13th Lok Sabha election. 6000 February 11, 2000. On February 11, 2000, the information technology boom helped the Sensex to cross the 6000 mark and hit an all-time high of 6006. 7000 June 21, 2005. On June 20, 2005, the news of the settlement between the Ambani brothers boosted investor sentiments and the scrips of RIL, Reliance Energy, Reliance Capital and IPCL made huge gains. This helped the Sensex crossed 7,000 points for the first time. 8000 September 8, 2005. On September 8, 2005, the Bombay Stocks Exchange's benchmark 30 share index, the Sensex, crossed the 8000 level following brisk buying by foreign and domestic funds in early trading. 9000 December 9, 2005. The Sensex on November 28, 2005 crossed 9,000 to touch 9,000.32 points during mid-session at the Bombay Stock Exchange on the back of frantic buying spree by foreign institutional investors and well supported by local operators as well as retail investors. 10,000 February 7, 2006. The Sensex on February 6, 2006 touched 10,003 points during mid-session. The Sensex finally closed above the 10,000 mark on February 7, 2006. 11,000 March 27, 2006. The Sensex on March 21, 2006 crossed 11,000 and touched a peak of 11,001 points during mid-session at the Bombay Stock Exchange for the first time. However, it was on March 27, 2006 that the Sensex first closed at over 11,000 points. 12,000 April 20, 2006. The Sensex on April 20, 2006 crossed 12,000 and touched a peak of 12,004 points during mid-session at the Bombay Stock Exchange for the first time. 13,000 October 30, 2006. The Sensex on October 30, 2006 crossed 13,000 for the first time. It touched a peak of 13,039.36 and finally closed at 13,024.26. 14,000 December 5, 2006. The Sensex on December 5, 2006 crossed 14,000. 15,000 July 6, 2007. The Sensex on July 6, 2007 crossed 15,000 mark. 16,000 September 19, 2007. The Sensex on September 19, 2007 crossed the 16,000 mark. 17,000. September 26, 2007. The Sensex on September 26, 2007 crossed the 17,000 mark for the first time. 18,000. October 9, 2007. The Sensex on October 9, 2007 crossed the 18,000 mark for the first time. 19,000. October 15, 2007. The Sensex on October 15, 2007 crossed the 19,000 mark for the first time. 20,000. October 29, 2007. The Sensex on October 29, 2007 crossed the 20,000 mark for the first time. 21,000. Jan 8, 2008. The Sensex on January 8, 2008 touched all-time peak of 21,078 before closing at 20,873. 22,000. March 10, 2014. The Sensex on March 10, 2014 touched all-time peak of 22,023.98 before closing at 21,934.83. 23,000. May 9, 2014. The Sensex on May 9, 2014 touched all-time peak of 23,048.49 before closing at 22,994.23. 24,000. May 13, 2014. The Sensex on May 13, 2014 touched all-time peak of 24,068.94 before closing at 23,871.23. 25,000. May 16, 2014. The Sensex on May 16, 2014 touched all-time peak of 25,375.63 before closing at 24,121.74. 26,000. July 7, 2014. The Sensex on July 7, 2014 touched all-time peak of 26,123.55 before closing at 26,100.08. 27,000. September 2, 2014. The Sensex on September 2, 2014 touched all-time peak of 27,082.85 before closing at 27,019.39. 28,000. November 5, 2014. The Sensex on November 5, 2014 touched all-time peak of 28,010.39 before closing at 27,915.88. 29,000. January 22, 2015. The Sensex on January 22, 2015 touched all-time peak of 29,060.41 before closing at 29,006.02. 30,000. March 4, 2015. The Sensex on March 4, 2015 touched all-time peak of 30,024.74 before closing at 29,380.73. 31,000. May 26, 2017. The Sensex on May 26, 2017 touched all-time peak of 31,074.07 before closing at 31,028.21. 32,000. July 13, 2017. The Sensex on July 13, 2017 touched all-time peak of 32,091.52 before closing at 32,037.38. 33,000. October 25, 2017. The Sensex on October 25, 2017 touched all-time peak of 33,117.33 before closing at 33,042.5. 34,000. December 26, 2017. The Sensex on December 26, 2017 touched all-time peak of 34,061.88 before closing at 34,010.61. 35,000 January 17, 2018. The Sensex on January 17, 2018 touched all-time peak of 35,118.61 before closing at 35,081.82. 36,000 January 23, 2018. The Sensex on January 23, 2018 touched all-time peak of 36,170.83 before closing at 36,139.98. 37,000 July 26, 2018. The Sensex on July 26, 2018 touched all-time peak of 37,061.62 before closing at 36,984.64. 38,000 August 9, 2018. The Sensex on August 9, 2018 touched all-time peak of 38,076.23 before closing at 38,024.37. 39,000 April 1, 2019. The Sensex on April 1, 2019 touched all-time peak of 39,115.57 before closing at 38,871.87. 40,000 May 31, 2019. The Sensex on May 31, 2019 touched all-time peak of 40,122.34 before closing at 39,714.2. 41,000 November 26, 2019. The Sensex on November 26, 2019 touched all-time peak of 41,120.28 before closing at 40,821.3. 42,000 January 16, 2020. The Sensex on January 16, 2020 touched all-time peak of 42,059.45 before closing at 41,932.56. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and share. Keep practicing, keep learning, keep growing.